What's up, guys? Today we are going to do a little bit of disc golfing here at the Cushing Memorial Park. It is a 9-hole. Yeah, it's just the local course that we have here.
So we're here at the car wash, getting the truck ready to sell. Step one of downsizing and getting into the camper full time. We have a lot of steps to go, but we want to start here. And
Phase one is to wash the truck. So we're gonna shoot a little bit on washing the outside of the truck. We are gonna take the truck back to the house and get it detailed, whether it's the kids helping us do it or even just us doing it. It doesn't really matter, but we know it needs to be done. So this is the not fun part of it. And then we'll go get some for sale signs and then get those put up. So
thinking about putting it at a dealership, possibly for consignment.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Maybe just putting it in front of the house.
In front of the house or in front of a gas station or something. But we will definitely keep you guys up to date on how we're going about this process. So here we go. We're gonna wash the outside of it. Alright guys, the truck is clean on the outside. Now we have to work on the inside, so we will head to the house after I turn the windshield wipers off. We will head to the house and, like I said, start basically getting all this junk out. Like a bunch of junk back there. A lot of fishing stuff.
We got some good pictures. Anybody in the market for a Ford?
It's right here. Yeah, we're gonna go to the house and get it cleaned out. All right, we made it to Walmart. We are officially at the for sale signs.
Ooh, cheaper than the Dollar Tree?
So,
What color do we want?
there's orange.
To sell by owner? I think these would probably be the best.
Yeah, what's this? That one's a vehicle one.
Year, model.
Yeah, this one's a vehicle one specifically though.
Yeah, this one is too. I just think this is like more.
Oh, that one shows like mileage and all that.
Okay, let's go with that one then.
Yeah.
Two?
$1.24? Yeah, just get to them. That should be good.
Perfect.
All right, here we go. We're gonna take them to the house, get them all drawn up, and then go from there.
Do you need this? Oh, yeah?
Just gotta watch her.
Uh-huh. This?
Other way. Cool. There you go.
Love you.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy pants.
Like if you went that way, right?
That's what I was doing.
Oh, you are. You were
jumping. Shut up. All right, let me see these. Are we We got the girls with us.
Yep.
Pull all our stuff.
We got caddy 1, caddy 2. So that's pretty nice. Thank you. So just gonna take you guys on an adventure with us. There goes the wifey's first throw.
All right, ready?
Ready?
Go back, go back. Oh.
Definitely
Right
in the
into the trees.
over there.
Chloe's turn.
Right in the trees.
Chloe's turn. Ready?
All right, go ahead.
I've got to throw.
Here's Madison. Good job, Cleotis, your turn.
Nice. All right.
Like Daddy's. No. There's mine.
Alright, now we're gonna go look for Mom's disc. See, hopefully, maybe it landed on the.
Over there.
Yeah, and it's black, so.
This could be fun.
And that's my favorite disc.
Alright, Madison found it.
Right there.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
Oh, where?
Sorry, I had
Hey.
a mosquito.
Right there.
There's a
I'll
mosquito.
go get it.
That's all right.
Legit.
I'm going to get it.
Got it. Mom's got it. Make your way out. And stop right there. And just toss soft. No. Now you got to pick up another disc, like your getaway. Yep. And then get to throwing.
You know what? That's better. Didn't land in a tree.
Nice. There you go. Way better.
Hit the tree.
It's okay if it wasn't for the tree. It would've been. And then when you step forward. Yep. See, it was good distance.
Yeah, wrong way.
Gosh dang, these mosquitoes.
Nice. Oh.
Almost.
Yep.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
First hole.
Woohoo!
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. You good, baby?
Keep it flat, remember? There you go. It's better. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was such a clean line, too. It wasn't for that stupid tree. So, you want to aim a little left here.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Yep. Good stuff.
Ooh, girl.
To the far left.
Who
Let
are
it cut over.
Who
So-
are you? The red button in the top right?
Yeah. It's recording. Dang.
Stayed pretty true. It's alright, no cut. That's still not bad.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh,
my God. Good job.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the game.
Good freaking job. All right, guys. Well, you saw it. This was trip number 1, realistically, for disc golf, and somebody improved dramatically from when she was throwing before. So, without further
Forehand game
ado,
is strong.
yeah. Without further ado, we're gonna shut this one down and see you in the next one. So, appreciate you guys showing up and watching. Here we go. All right, go ahead.
Go. Where is it?
Your face.
That's all right.
Mr. Mosquito was injecting something in you.
All right, come on.
Now, you. Put it in the creek.
Don't say that.
Put it in the creek. Put it in the creek. Actually, don't land in the creek, please.
Oh!
Yay!
Definitely in the creek.
God. Oh my God. Stand by.
Standing by.